Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go through Toronto's most vibrant neighborhoods, that is Chinatown and the Kensington Market. Are you ready to explore the go-to spots, discover the best places to eat, and immerse yourself in unique cultural experiences? So the Chinatown in Toronto is one of the biggest in North America, but it takes a silver medal when compared to New York's Chinatown. It's like a mini city in itself. I say this because it has everything you need in a city. Shopping market, a bank, from Salo to some of the best Asian restaurants in North America. On top of that, there are some of the best murals you'll ever see in Toronto. If you've ever wondered where to get the most affordable things in the whole city, let me tell you, it is this place. Here in Chinatown, the average price for a 2-bedroom house is around 800 to 900,000 Canadian dollars, which I would say is not astronomical considering it's downtown. In Kensington Market, there are a lot of vintage and thrift stores which specializes in retro clothing and accessories, offering a nostalgic shopping experience for fans of fashion from 70s and 80s. Here are some of the restaurants that I feel are must visit. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section which one I should cover next. And if you're in this area, you can check out my video on Grange Park, which is hardly a 5-minute walk from Chinatown. Till then, take care.